the LaPorte County government. If this is an emergency, please hang up and for county clerks, press 1. For Superior 1 or 2 clerk, press 1. I am afraid all of the operators are busy at the moment, but please hold, and you will be Clerk's office.
Yes, my name is Chris Throgmorton, and I'm trying to speak with Kathy Kroback.
She's in her office.
All
She's
right.
with somebody in there. I can put you on hold. I can transfer you to her extension.
I'm just trying to get a copy of these court orders that Judge Welker will not provide to me. They're telling me I have to get them from Kathy. They're saying that Judge Welker has recused from all 3 of my cause numbers. There's only one court order entered, and it's for the 1721 cause number, but it's on the 1755 docket. The 1737 and 1755 court orders are not even on a docket. I just want copies of those. Somebody can email me these. I'm assuming you're going to mail them to David Payne. He's appointed as a standby counsel.
What is your email address?
Sir Throgmorton.
Okay.
Like.
And you're wanting the
at gmail.com.
At Gmail?
Yep. So like
okay.
SIR, sir, like yes sir, and then my last name. Yeah, there should be, there should be a recusal from Pulaski Circuit Court Judge Mary Welker on the 46 DO1 1807 CM 1721, 1737, and 1755. Most of them put all 3 cause numbers on one recusal. She chose to issue 3 different orders, each with a separate cause number. But it looks like the 1721 order of recusal is entered on the 1755 docket, and then I don't know where the 1737 is or the actual
1721.
Yeah, well, yeah, the 1721 is entered, but it's on the 1755 docket, not the 1721 docket. So I don't know where the actual order for the 1755 and 1737 are.
Are they all 46 DO1?
Yeah, they're all 46 DO1 1807 CM. It's just, they're like within a month of each other, so it's just 1721, 1737, 1755 that's different. But
all right, I'll check with her when she gets off the phone, and then I'll email you the orders.
Janet Schultz, I think,
right,
emailed me the 1721 yesterday. She sort of inferred that that was the only one she was able to locate. Kathy wasn't available, and for whatever reason, Pulaski Circuit Court won't give me any copies of these. They're telling me that I have to get them from the LaPorte County Clerk's office. But
no problem. I'll check with her when she
anyway,
gets off the phone and gets out of her
specifically,
office,
if I may, there's a order from the Indiana Supreme Court. I believe it's from like August 1st, August 2nd of 2018. Anyway, it basically, they had like a bunch of money they spent on a task force for remote access, advisory council, etc. Anyway, all these orders for misdemeanors and like probate court and various civil plenaries and stuff like that, they're supposed to be available for just an Adobe Acrobat PDF download through my case. And this seems to be however you guys enter it in the system there. I have 7 different cause numbers. It seems to be done a different way on every single one, but specifically, once all 3 of these orders are on the dockets, the appropriate dockets, they're supposed to be available to the general public via a remote access from my case, to where if free, essentially I've been talking to you for 5 minutes already. You know me, I could probably drag this out for the next 45 minutes, and that sort of is the reasoning for having these available as a PDF download on my case, so that they basically free up the clerk's time. That's why they spent all this money and did these studies and enacted this legislature and literally from the Supreme Court ordered every clerk's office in the state of Indiana to do it this very one specific way that I'm talking about, as opposed to the way that it's being done, was to free up your guys' time and make your job easier so you don't have to interact with people like me on the phone for trivial tasks that I could basically do myself if you had provided it online.
Okay, fine.
I mean, it would seem easier to me as a objective party. I would
Are
say.
you saying that the PDF is not attached? Is that what you're saying?
Absolutely
There's
not.
PDF
No,
there?
no. There's only one that's on a docket. There's not a PDF available, and then the other two aren't even on the docket. So there's definitely no way for me to download them. But it would just seem easier for me to just, if I worked in the clerk's office, I would find it easier to just follow the court order from the Indiana Supreme Court that was literally issued to make my job easier, and then I wouldn't have to talk to, people about, having them call me to email them something that they should have been able to find online, and then they're all upset and frustrated about it.
Okay.
Anyway, just a thought.
All right.
I mean, I know you guys aren't big on following court orders from, anybody but from LaPorte County courts, but...
Right. If I'm already telling you that as soon as she's free, I'll check on the orders. I have your email address, and I will email you the orders. Okay?
All right. I mean, I could come in there and take pictures of them, maybe. Could I do that?
No, and you know you can't.
Oh, yeah, right. The court order. Right. Gotcha.
Okay?
Yep.
All right.
I know I can. You guys don't know I can. We'll get to that in another day. Don't worry.
Okay.
I got some paperwork for that. Anyway.
All right. Thank you.
You have a lovely day.
You too.
If somebody could just email me those. Yeah.
I have it. All right.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Do you know when this will happen?
Pardon? I'm hoping within, when she frees up, probably within the next half hour or so.
I mean, is there any reason
I'm not
why
guaranteed.
those
I
two...
knew I knew you were not going to be content just with just a simple answer with a response that I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then we have to totally go off.
Is there any reason why those two orders wouldn't be entered at the same time as the first one?
I can't answer that.
I'm just curious, is there a policy that regulates this that I could inform myself on as a citizen?
Not that I'm aware of.
So I don't think that you guys are just negligent in your duties. I'm wondering if there's some sort of policy that allows this.
How about if I tell you goodbye, and as soon as I'm able to get the orders, I will email them to you, okay? Because this is just going to go on and on now.
Well, it's 9:30, and you guys have the orders, so I'll call you at 10, and then 10:30, and then like 11,
Oh, that's fine.
and such.
Okay.
All right.
All
Anyway,
right.
you have a lovely day.
Thank you.
I will continuously check my email on the half hour, and I will talk to you soon, I assume.
All right.
All right. Have a
Bye.
lovely day. Bye.